Life is a roller coaster, and we all encounter challenging times along the way. Whether it's personal struggles like heartbreak or the painful loss of a loved one, or larger crises affecting entire communities, such as natural disasters or unforeseen global events like a pandemic, tough times can take a toll on our motivation. But here's the thing. When your motivation dwindles, it affects more than just your personal life. It impacts your business too. Why is that? Well, without motivation, productivity becomes a distant dream. When your drive falters, it's all too easy to let important tasks and work slip through the cracks. And that can have a detrimental impact on your business's success. But fret not, because we have good news for you. You have the power to prevent this from happening. You can maintain your motivation and remain productive even in the face of adversity. In today's video, we have a special guest, the renowned Jim Rohn, who will share invaluable insights on how to stay focused on your goals during tough times. Jim is a true authority in personal development, and his wisdom will guide you towards achieving success and maintaining clarity amidst the storm. So, if you're ready to weather the challenges and emerge stronger, hit that play button and let's embark on this empowering journey together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more uplifting content. Let's conquer the tough times and build a brighter future. Number 1. Create a schedule that works for you. When you're going through a tough time, your regular schedule may not work anymore. Your situation might be different, and finding time to work can be challenging. But don't worry. Creating a new routine can help you manage your time better. It's okay if you can't work the same number of hours as before. What matters is that you're still doing something productive. Every little bit counts. To create your new schedule, you can use a technique called time blocking. Time blocking means setting aside specific blocks of time for different activities. Here's how you can do it. Determine how much time you have available for work right now. It could be a couple of hours in the morning or an hour at night when the kids are asleep. Whatever time you have, take note of it. Decide which hours of the day you can dedicate to work based on your availability. For example, if you have a couple of hours in the morning, block that time on your schedule as your work hours. If you have an hour at night, block that time as well. Identify the tasks that will generate income or help your business grow. These tasks are your must-do tasks. They should be your top priority. Block out specific time slots during your work hours to focus on these important activities. By using time blocks, you can organize your schedule in a way that accommodates your current situation. It helps you allocate dedicated time for work and ensures you prioritize tasks that are crucial for your business. Remember, even if you can only work for a shorter duration, it's still progress. Adapt your schedule to fit your circumstances, focus on essential tasks, and make the most of the time you have available. Number 2, stay connected with your business friends. Imagine you're running a business, and sometimes things can get tough. You may feel demotivated or find it hard to stay productive. During these difficult times, networking with other business owners can be really helpful. Now, you might have supportive friends and family who encourage you, but it's even better to have someone who understands exactly what you're going through with your business. When you connect with other business owners, you can talk to them about your challenges and get valuable advice and support. If you don't have any business friends yet, it's time to make some. Thanks to the internet, it's now easier than ever to connect with like-minded business owners. One way to start is by checking out Facebook groups. There are thousands of groups to choose from, covering various business topics or specific to your business niche. Once you join a group, you can introduce yourself to the community and participate in group activities. This way, you'll meet other business owners who are facing similar challenges or have already overcome them. You can learn from their experiences, share your own insights, and motivate each other to keep going. By networking with other business owners, you create a supportive and motivating community that can help you stay on track, even during difficult times. Number 3, stay positive during difficult times. When things get tough, having a positive attitude can make a big difference in how you handle the situation. Sometimes, all you need is a little encouragement to keep going. Here are 3 quotes written by Jim Rohn that I find helpful and inspiring during difficult times. Don't wish it were easier. Wish you were better. Don't wish for fewer problems. Wish for more skills. Don't wish for less challenge. Wish for more wisdom. This quote encourages us to shift our perspective during tough times. Instead of hoping for an easier path, we should focus on improving ourselves, developing new skills, and gaining wisdom to overcome challenges more effectively. Don't join an easy crowd. You won't grow. Go where the expectations and the demands to perform and achieve are high. During tough times, it may be tempting to surround ourselves with people who offer comfort and make things easier. However, Rohn advises seeking out environments where there are high expectations and demands for growth. These environments push us to become better versions of ourselves. The same wind blows on us all. The difference in arrival is not the blowing of the wind, but the set of the sail. This quote reminds us that external circumstances affect everyone, but what truly matters is how we respond to them. We have the power to adjust our attitude, mindset, and actions to navigate tough times successfully. These quotes serve as reminders that tough times are a part of life, but we have the ability to navigate through them. By staying positive, resilient, and engaged, we can overcome challenges and come out stronger on the other side. So whenever you feel down, remember these words of encouragement and keep pushing forward. Number 4, find someone to hold you accountable. Staying productive can sometimes be challenging, but one of the best ways to overcome this is by being accountable to someone else. Being accountable means having someone who checks in on you and holds you responsible for your tasks and goals. Your accountability partner can be a family member, a business friend, a business coach, or anyone you trust. What's important is that you meet with them regularly to discuss your plans and commitments. For example, you might have a video chat with your accountability partner 3 mornings a week. During these meetings, you both share what you want to achieve in the next few days. Then, when you meet again, you report back on whether you were able to accomplish what you said you would do. This creates a sense of responsibility because you don't want to disappoint your accountability partner by not completing your tasks. Having someone to hold you accountable is powerful because nobody likes to admit that they didn't follow through on their commitments. The fear of having to tell your accountability partner that you didn't get things done can motivate you to stay on track and complete your planned activities. By being accountable to someone, you increase your chances of staying productive and achieving your goals. It helps you stay focused and committed to your tasks, knowing that someone is there to support and encourage you along the way. Number 5, stay focused on the right tasks and track your time. Staying focused on the right tasks is key to moving your business forward. Every business is unique, so the specific activities you need to focus on will vary. To understand where you're currently spending your time, you can use a helpful tool called Toggl, which tracks your time. This tool is especially useful when you're working on a computer. When we work on a computer, it's easy to get distracted by things like checking emails, browsing social media sites like Pinterest, Instagram, or chatting on Facebook. By tracking your time, you can see exactly how much time you're spending on these activities. It's important to evaluate each tracked activity and ask yourself, is this activity making me money? Some activities may have a valid business reason, while others may be a waste of time. If you prefer not to track your time manually, but still want to know how much time you spend on different computer-related tasks, you can try a tool called Rescue Time. It automatically tracks your computer usage and categorizes websites based on their productivity level, from very productive to very distracting. Time tracking can be an eye-opening experience. It not only helps you be more productive during difficult times, but it also enhances your productivity when things return to normal. By understanding how you spend your time and focusing on activities that generate income for your business, you can make the most of your time and boost your productivity. This will have a positive impact on your business, both in challenging times and when things are going well. Number 6, be flexible. There will be times when you don't feel like working or being productive, and that's okay. It's important to be kind to yourself and give yourself some grace during those moments. If you need a break, take one. Listen to what your mind and body need. However, there will also be days when you have to put on your boss hat and motivate yourself to get things done. On those days, you need to push yourself and do what you have to do. Understand that there will be flexibility on other days when you need it. Remember, everyone goes through tough times in life, but it's essential to keep in mind that difficult times don't last forever. They are like seasons that come and go. This tough phase you're experiencing will pass too. In the meantime, stay focused on your goals. Work on the tasks that are most important and prioritize them. Do the best you can, even if it's challenging. Remember that you have the strength and ability to overcome obstacles and keep moving forward. So, be kind to yourself when you need it, but also push yourself when necessary. Keep in mind that tough times are temporary, and with determination and effort, you will get through them. Stay focused, work on what matters most, and keep doing your best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss an upload, and you can enjoy the excellent content I send your way.